This tutorial is brought to you by PE Prep Engine. Free study guides and practice questions at peprepengine.com.
Week 4, Lesson 7, Ventilation and the Mixing Box. Outdoor air does two jobs. First, it ventilates the space, diluting the contaminants that people and the building give off. Second, blended with return air in the mixing plenum, it sets the temperature entering the coil. We'll size the ventilation air with the breathing zone rate, then blend the streams in the mixing box. 2 clean formulas, 2 worked examples.
The full study guide with every equation and common exam trap is free at peprepengine.com, link in the description. Structural, civil, and electrical series are coming soon. Subscribe so you don't miss them.